For more information, see the description below. Namaste. Vakaratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Siddhi Buddhi Shakti Sahitam Shima Mahaganadipataye Namo Namaha Nirvignam Kuru Om Ganganapataye Namaha. So yesterday we stopped at Prayojana.
Yeah. Read the next one.
Okay. Page 8. So we are going to have Upadesha, right?
Yes.
Oops.
The word itself is giving you the meaning, right?
Near
What is the word meaning of Upadesha?
near the place.
Advice. Upadesha is advice.
Then
Samipam stitva. Samipam stitva. Samipam.
Samipam
Stitva.
ti
Stitva.
tva
Dishati iti.
dishyati
Iti. Upadeshaha.
upadeshaha.
That means whoever is there, he is sitting nearby you and showing that this is like this. Okay?
Okay.
Suppose your teacher, your guru. Okay?
Okay.
He sit nearby you and giving you a knowledge. This is like this. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Then you will not ask him. You don't have to ask him the reasoning or anything of that, because it is told by your teacher, whom you accepted as your teacher, right?
Okay.
So you will not raise a question on the yukti or anything of that, because of the confidence that your guru won't teach you anything wrong.
Okay.
Okay, let us see, is that the meaning of this Upadesha? You read the definition.
Upadesha idante vamevandva dinakalpana.
A little more carefully you read.
Upadesha.
Itam, you split the word. Itam plus, split it.
Idam
I'll tell
plus.
You split. Then I will give you idam plus.
This is Upadesha.
2 plus.
Idam 2
Evam plus.
evam.
Plus.
Okay.
Eva plus.
Eva plus. Okay.
One minute. idam tu evameva. Evameva. Yeah, idam tu evam, evam, one more evam, right?
Okay.
Evam tu adin,
Adim. Okay.
akalpana.
Kalpana.
Akalpana. Okay.
Okay.
See, what is the meaning of idam?
This.
This. Evam, like this. This is like this.
Okay.
This is like this. This is like this. 2 times. That's why evam, evam.
And the two there.
This is like this, like this. So he is showing so many things. And this is like this. This is like this. He is telling.
Okay.
Such a saying, instruction, is called
Okay.
Upadesha.
What about the Adina Kalpana?
See, Adina, Adin means Divajanam, Didya Vibhakti Bahujanam, to make it into object.
Okay.
Okay? Akalpana, instruction. Akalpanam or Akalpana. Yes, instruction.
This Adina is Dvidya.
Adin Akalpana.
Yes, this Adin is Dvidya, but is
Didya
Eka
Bahujanam.
Bahu.
Kaveen, Nadeem, so Kaveen, like
Okay.
that. E Karanda Pullinga, Didya Vibhakti Bahujanam.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So the full English sentence.
Full English is instruction of a knowledged person.
Why not by?
Why not by?
Yes.
Instruction of a is better na. Instructed by is okay.
Okay.
I told instruction of a knowledged person showing the objects to know about them. Can be termed as Upadesha Tantrayukti.
Okay.
See, have you heard the term Apta?
Apta. Yes, I was expecting you to say that.
What is the meaning of Apta?
The one that is apt.
The actual meaning of Apta?
Knowable.
Apta means a person who is free from Rajas, Tamas, predominant with the Sattva Guna. Okay, Rajas Tamo Bhyam Narmuktaha is the first definition of that. And a person who is having the deepest knowledge in this subject. Such a person is known as
Apta.
Apta. If he says something that this is like this, if he say, you don't have to ask him that, what is the logic behind it? What is it? This is like this. That's all. So there are some statements in every science, in every branch of knowledge which are not
Provable.
having much reasoning interpretations. They are accepted as such because they are instructed by the experienced, unselfish aptas.
So in Greek, this is going to be an axiom.
Yeah. Now you read the second part. They are giving a sloga over there. After that, you read the textual parts. That is a sloga of Charaka. What is that? Ashtanga Sangraham, Sutrasthana. He gave the sloga about Prabhava definition. You read this part, then you will understand.
Itya Varyana.
Itajarya.
What?
Iti Acharyena.
Okay. Itya Cha. This is Cha.
Charyena.
Itya Chari.
Na.
Nai. Naiva.
Naiva.
Okay.
Acharenaiva.
Pratipavitam.
Pratipaditam. Diya. It is Surva. Pratipaditam.
Okay. Dravyamiti.
Dravyamiti.
Dravyamiti. Pramavaparam. Pramavaparam.
What is it? Carefully read.
Prabha.
Prabha.
Carefully read. Very careful. Prabhava param. What is that?
Dravyamiti.
Okay. Dravyamiti.
Prabhava.
Paranama. What is that? Dravyasha. Dravyashakti.
You see, every substance has got its rasa, guna, virya, vipaka. You studied, no?
Yes.
You studied rasa, guna, virya, vipaka in the first chapter of Ashtanga.
Okay.
But in addition to these four properties, you can logically explain. It is having this rasa, you can prove it. It is having this guna, you can prove it. This rasa has got this karma, you can prove it. This vipaka, you can prove it. Because physically, you can do the study of the dravya and find out. Right?
Okay.
But there is a stage, it is called prabhava.
Yes.
Dravya prabhava. So what is dravya prabhava? If anybody asks you, you cannot
Explain.
You can explain, but you cannot
With
show
the
it. You cannot show with the
four characters.
yes, like the other four. So who told Dravyas are having this prabhava? It is told by Acharya. Acharya, here he is mentioning the Acharya as Charaka, because Vagbheda always called Charaka as Acharya and Muni. These are the two terminologies used by Vagbheda for Charaka.
Okay.
So about Prabhava, Charaka told like this. He told that it is Dravya Shaktihi.
Okay.
Dravya Shaha Shaktihi. It is the power of the Dravya. That's all. He did not tell what is it and etc. But Vipaka, he clearly explained it. Guna, he clearly explained it. Karma, he clearly explained.
But when we are taking the Prabhava itself, not most of the time, but several times that Prabhava only manifests when it's raised in a specific region.
Situation. That is no doubt in that. Because see,
we should not say that lemon has this Prabhava without saying which lemon, from where this lemon, which time was.
Compulsory. So yesterday I told you, everything is context based. Everything is Adhikarana based. Context is very important for telling anything.
Okay,
but the thing is, the property of Prabhava you cannot find just to reverse in all drugs. But there are some drugs, they will show the reverse action. That is why this Prabhava idea has been brought. Okay?
Yes.
Some drugs actually, as per its property, there is an action. But when it given, it acts just opposite and it will give opposite results.
Not necessarily opposite, but special.
Entirely different. Entirely different.
Okay.
Not supporting the gunas.
Okay.
Such
Not
place, yes.
derivable.
Yes. So which is the immediate proof for you about the drug? It is their properties, rasa and the guna. Right?
Yes.
And a result, an action away from these two, then you can call it as the prabhava of the drug.
Okay.
That is why this prabhava concept has been developed in Ayurveda. Generally, the term prabhava is given for God. God is having prabhava.
That's interesting.
Okay? Purely. You know what is the word meaning of prabhava? Prakarshaha bhavaha prabhavaha.
This is
Prakarshaha bhavaha prabhavaha. You know what is the meaning of bhavaha?
just a second.
Prakarshaha bhavaha prabhavaha.
Shaha
Bhavaha prabhavaha.
Pravaha
Prabhavaha.
So in Prabhava we have the Prakasha and Bhava words inside.
Listen me. That's why I'm coming to you.
Okay.
Prakarsha, not Prakasha. Prakarsha.
Prakarsha.
What is the meaning of Prakarsha? Superior.
Okay.
Prakarsha means superior.
Okay.
What is the meaning of bhava? So many times I told you.
Existence. There is that. It has
Quality, property. Where I taught you, Dhira is a brave man. The property that which he possesses, dhairyam, bhava pratyaya. Manushya is a noun. The
but
property
when we put Bhava, the Bhava is something that is more material, right?
more subtle.
More subtle. So
Bhava if you use, then it is sthula. Because bhudadu directly satta, it is existing.
okay,
Bhava is the thing that which makes this.
thing exists in the because in Jyotisha the word it's used is Bhava. not
Bhava means his action on in this. See, suppose Guru's bhava is there in your 4th house. That means the properties of Guru will be reflecting in the.
No, the word house is used as Bhava.
That is why, see, in which sense the bhava house is? His properties exist over there.
Okay. So these properties come from God. This Bhava.
Bhava is generally it is the unseen, only experienceable things. Unseen and experiable things only possessed by the gods.
Okay. Clear.
So prabhava, the drugs have prabhava. It is called see, there is a beautiful word they use. Dravyashaha.
Okay.
Dravya Shakti. Dravya Shakti. What is the meaning of Dravya Shakti? Shakti means power. Power of the drug. It is very difficult to show you with logical
reason.
This is told by Acharya. So we all believe the existence of prabhava.
So
That's
this part is not completely yukti in the sense that it is logically demonstrated.
Yes.